Hi, George here. Let's see how easy it is to sign up for ChatGPT. Now, first, you don't have to be signed up. Come right down here. I can actually use this right now. I'll just ask you, can I sign up to ChatGPT? Hit that little arrow right there. As you can see here, there's no sign up process required for ChatGPT for general interactions. But if you want to customize it and if you wanted to track what you're doing so that you get better responses because it will watch what you're asking and it will base your later questions on previous answers that it's given you, much better way of getting responses here, it's a good idea to go ahead and sign up for that. To sign up, just come down here where it says sign up. Real easy. You can sign up with an email address, or you can use your Google account or your Microsoft account or your Apple account, depending upon what you have. I'll just click on continue with Google, and this will be showing you your current signed in account with Google. If you're not signed in, then you won't have something at the top here. And you can also choose a different account if you're not seeing what you want. You'll need to prove that you're using your actual Google account. They'll ask you for your Google account password, and they'll send a verification email to the email address that's associated with your Google account. Once all that's done, you can then log in. Or if you sign in with an existing account, just click on that account right here. Takes you to this page and click continue. Put in your name and your birth date. This is because it's limited to people who are 13 years or older. So make sure you put your name and your birth date in here. Choose agree, and you'll then be signed in. And if you have an account, you can see a record of what you've been doing previously, left-hand side. That's very useful. You also can, this is more important, let's just get this out of the way. You can go up here and you can use either of the two free accounts, the ChatGPT 3.5 or the new ChatGPT 4.0. And the reason why I like both of these is that they may give you different results. You won't be getting competing results. They won't be arguing with each other, but you may get different amounts of information. So looking at both is really the best way to go. ChatGPT 3.5 is a little bit more friendly, and the results from ChatGPT 4.0 are just a little bit more technical. But aside from that, they're both great ways to answer any questions you have with ChatGPT. If you want to get a paid account, and that's what I have, it's $20 a month right now, and that gives you the ChatGPT 4. This is nice for more advanced ChatGPT kind of work. If you use it a lot, I'd recommend going ahead and getting the monthly subscription to that, but it's not required. And you can get most of what you need normally with just the 3.5 or the 4.0. If you found this video useful, hit that like button. That does help me out quite a bit. Make sure you subscribe. I'll be doing a lot more videos using ChatGPT here, and I'll see you next time.